come on ladies. One pound fish, 1 pound fish. Have a look. 1 pound fish. Have a look. 1 pound fish. Very, very good. 1 pound fish. Very cheap. 1 pound fish. 6 pound, 1 pound, 1 pound fish. 6 pound, 1 pound, 1 pound fish.
Where you at, huh?
And very, very cheap. 1 pound fish to the 1 pound fish.
Pull up, bro.
1 pound fish. Come on,
I bet.
1 pound fish. 6 pound, 5 pound.
Kalakay, mamagwa. Huwag yung kalakay, mamagwa.
Yeah, it's like icy as fuck.
1 pound fish.
We got 1 pound fish over here. We got the Tahoe.
Very, very cheap. 1 pound fish.
We're outside, correct. We have the Lexus truck over here. I'm about to start rally racing that shit. Oh, nice.
Alfa, ya esto no es movie, esto es normal, normal.
Y que tú no eres guapo. En la calle yo soy el control y no soy capo. En mi coro le tapamos 20,000 condones. Yo no me doblo ni para amarrarme los colchones, los colchones, los montones, los colchones.
It is snowing pretty bad outside, I can't lie.
Con lo que me pongo original y tú clones. Deja de hacer paquete conmigo, no te aloques. Los TBT que subo son montados en un bote.
Now we got a front wheel drive car. Dude, it's farting.
Yeah, that shit don't want to move, bro. Because it's all ice. You can't get any type of traction at all.
Yeah, dude.
Put that shit in reverse, Terry.
Put that shit in reverse, Terry.
Put that shit in reverse.
Makes it seem like him going to fucking forward is gonna make it any better. It's the same shit.
Very nice.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
That shit went kink.
I like the rally style fog lights.
You put it in reverse and went kink. That's why I told you to stop, bro. Oh hell no.
Not Marlin. Oh no.
Catch no speed, bro.
Yo guys, what would you do if I snap my U-joint spinning my car?
It's not gonna come flying in here. Just don't go fast. Is he fucking retarded? Yeah, you really can't see shit in front of him. Dude, how fucking far is this kid going?
What is he gonna hit? 80?
I'm moving.
What the hell is he doing? What is he about to do?
If I die, it's all your fault. Actually, no, cameraman can't die.
No, cameraman cannot die. They never die.
Cameraman never dies.
I'll get closer. I'm not a bitch.
That's ice. Okay. My one took that.
Fucking freezing.
Yo, Matt, you think I got a pair of gloves?
Maybe. He's frozen, dude.
Roll back, roll back.
All right, let's roll back number 1. Jesus Christ. Not the Rolls Royce Cullen. Jesus Christ. Shit, this thing. Come on. Spin it out. There we go. You started crab walking. Almost hit the fucking bus. Ah.
Fuck, go to the lot next to it, to the left. That one's still fresh. It's just smaller.
Jesus Christ. Really is small. Fuck. Come on. Yeah, right into the bus. We're fucked. I just started crab walking again.
Buddy almost took out the mountain. Buddy almost took out the fucking mountain.
Dude. Fucker's crab walking.
City is pretty when it's dead, just like a flower.
Don't got me down, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come alive.
Let's see how loud it is. I'm gonna go walk over there and listen to how much this shit echoes. It's kind of crazy. I don't know. These like beefed up sound systems, I'm almost gonna slip and fall. It's like really bad here. Hold on, if you look. But oh, he stopped it. It is so loud I can hear from over here. It's like about like a. Uh-oh. No, I was just explaining to them that you can hear it all the way from over here. Oh, shit. Cameraman doesn't die.
Yo, what's supposed to happen?
Nah, it was... There we go.
Doesn't want to spin. We're in the pit. Don't try to kill us all.
Uh-oh.
You don't like spinning.
My car was doing the same.
Huh?
My car was doing the same.
I don't know. I was doing it earlier, now I don't want to. Whoa!
There we go. Looks like the car is cutting throttle. I don't know if... My God, my hands are freezing.
I can't feel my hands.
I know.
That's why I'm not recording. Give up. We're doing this? Selling it.
You're giving up?
I'm fucking selling it.
No way.
If anybody wants it, how much? I'll give you 2,500.
Crab walking to a fucking Tahoe. It's like a brand new Escalade, the one with the new crab walking stuff. The Escalade IQ. That's pretty cool. I like those things. Not really. I just like the idea of it, honestly. A crab walking Escalade. I hate that it's electric. I don't like electric cars. Oh no, there's ice.
My fucking boots worn. Oh, my fucking hand.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Oh, my hand.
My hands are frozen. My beanie's frozen. Oh my god, I can't feel my eyebrows.
Don't worry, Carl's looking for you, bro.
What? Hey yo. So I almost smacked Carlos with the camera. My car's decommissioned right now.
I broke it. I broke it.
Guys, he broke the car. No, I'm playing. But
I did break it.
you maxed out the speedo. I have it on video. It just
Wait, I did?
It goes 160 and then just drops.
Are you dead
I'm
serious?
so serious. Yes.
What the fuck?
The tires were spinning at 160,
No fucking way.
which is 260 for my non-burger boys out in Europe. Woo!
Yeah, eat shit for the video.
Oh my god, imagine. I'll tell you what, I like the sound of the V8s in these things. Yeah. Oh. Sweet Jesus, my hands are freezing. They're like pink.
I feel like a little kid right now.
Oh. We are a little, what? Howdy do.
Punch it. Punch the pot. Smack that in, right?
We did it at least. It is so icy here. That thing is pouring fuel.
Yeah, it is.
Oh. I mean, well deserved. It's an American V8. It should. Roll back. I did it.
What was that noise? You heard it?
That was just tires catching traction for a second. I'm not sure. I mean, for any returning viewers, you'll know that this is not the same Tahoe, but is somewhat the same Tahoe and the same Tahoe driver that did the 360. I almost died. That did the same 360 spin all the way from there to here. Same location, mind you, 3 years or so later. Oh my god. Oh. But this is the exact location.
Look at the fucking roll-up window. Yeah, roll that shit up.
My hands are freezing.
My dad's van has roll-up windows, and you fucking... My dad gets that shit up faster than the motor. I don't know how. It's just kind of concerning,
Yeah.
honestly.
Here, push the car. Huh. Ah. No bullshit, man. No bullshit, no bullshit. No bullshit. Oh my god, my hands are freezing. I have hypothermia.
Here, switch with me. You just keep talking, put your hands in your pockets.
I might have to grip my balls.
What the hell is Tamel doing?
got close to getting hit. We didn't get hit.
I almost just got fucking whacked.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Cameraman doesn't die.
You should have seen Ivan's face. He went.
Yo, I was gonna try to hop on, but I was like, where am I gonna grip?
There's no roof rack, bro.
Roll the window down. Just hold on for dear life.
Almost just got fucking
yeah.
whacked.
Hell yeah.
Fuck. Yo, Nemo, scared the shit out of me.
Walk on.
Push the car.
Cameraman doesn't die. I'm afraid I'm gonna slip, eat shit, and die.
I almost just literally got fucking hit by Dom. Dom literally almost just fucking ran me over.
Now to get the cameraman. Oh my god.
No, I know. But I tried to move and I slipped and couldn't fucking move. Tommy just FaceTimed you, by the way.
Oh fuck. Tommaso. Tommy, if you're watching this, sorry. I know you wanted to spin. Oh fuck.
Fuck it, just call him back. Stop the video and call him back. Fuck it. Is he trying to pull up? Is that why?
Let's see. Let's see what Tom's has to say.
I don't have his number anymore.
I do.
No shit! My fucking hand. Hit him with this car. Holy fuck.
Nuts. Let's see what Tom has won.